So the piston on the second one is finally out, and you can see the scratch marks on the piston. It is so badly worn, this side as well, and I'm guessing the piston rings are in the same condition, and you can see there is lots of smoke that has gone through here, and over here there is lots of fumes that were blocking the exit of the bolt for the piston bolt that was holding it, and there is black debris over here from the smoke as well. And pretty much I'm guessing that this thing was driven without oil in the engine, and that led to this worn. And the other thing is that I'm thinking that the piston rings are so worn. When I press them, you can see that they're hiding inside of the piston. There are no piston ring at all, keeping the compression from leaking out. They're very, very, very warm. Look at it. When I press this like that, and it just disappears. There is no piston ring at all. So, new set. The unfortunate part is that the cylinder has the same, it is worn the same way as the piston. So I'm trying my best, but I don't know if you can see it. It changes the focus constantly, so it is bothersome, but you'll have to take my word for it. But inside of here it is the same situation. The cylinder is worn, and I'm gonna have to buy a new set. So this is it for now. I'm gonna try to find some parts, and when I do, I'm gonna start assembling this. So I'm hoping that everything is gonna work fine. This is it for now. I'm gonna go and try to find some parts.